Hello again. I am Tarotist Maggie Norton, and I'm bringing you a tarot card of the week. So this week we have the Five of Swords. At the Five of Swords, we always have issues to deal with. And we'll put it this way. The Five of Swords is sometimes where we have to confront the way that we think, and we have to shift it or change the way that we think. In the process of doing that, sometimes we have to deal with our issues, we have to deal with life's challenges, but the way that we think can sometimes become a dysfunction, and it needs to shift, it needs to grow. There needs to be some kind of expansion of how we think about things and situations in our lives. It could be how we think about ourselves, how we think about others, how we think about life situations, whether it's relationships or work or whatever showing up in your life. At the Five of Swords, you have an opportunity to shift the way that you perceive and think about these situations and really work through any of the issues that have appeared. Now, just take some time to understand why those issues are there, understand where you'd like to see the shifts and the changes in the way that you think and perceive things. It's a time of growth and learning. So this week, really think about how you want to work through your issues. Ignoring them doesn't help. You know, they get buried deep within and then they'll just pop right back up again. So at some point, find some tools and techniques or learn how to confront those things that challenge us in life. Because it's through that and through finding a way through that, you know, the challenges and the issues, that we can become more solid in who we really are and find some more peace within. So think about what you need to shift and how you can shift the way that you think about things, or learn some new things on how you're going to be dealing with your life situations. The Five of Swords asks you to change the way that you think on some level. Okay, and it could be from really heavy issues of your childhood conditioning, or it could just be, maybe I just want to change the way I communicate, or change the way that, I think about X, Y, Z, whatever that is in your life. So use this card to shift, to change, to be willing to grow and think more expansively. And if you have that open mindset, this can be an easy week where you're shifting a lot of things, and then on the heels of the fives, we can always find some peace at the sixes. But going through the fives just means that you're going to have to shift and change. Now, also expect the unexpected. You might receive news this week that you didn't expect. Something that might come out of left field. That could easily happen in this week with the Five of Swords here, because there is always the unexpected that happens in the state of the five energy of change. Okay, so enjoy your tarot card of the week. Have fun shifting your perceptions and dealing with all the things that you need to deal with, and enjoy it as much as possible. Talk to you soon.